Good morning and happy Thanksgiving! Anybody saying happy Thanksgiving with me?
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
I want to say happy Thanksgiving! No, he wants to say happy Halloween, right? He has been saying happy Halloween since morning. He's like, no, it's Halloween, let's go get candy.
Happy Thanksgiving to me?
Oh, he didn't say it to me though.
Yeah, he did say it.
Yeah, can you say happy Thanksgiving? Yeah?
Say yeah. Say happy
Come
Thanksgiving.
here. Come here. Okay, can you say happy Thanksgiving? So I'm gonna eat turkey today.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah. Anyways, we are here at Ashley's and we are gonna help her prep everything. I'm gonna be her sous chef today. Yeah, and then whatever she tells me, I'll just do and I'll show it to you guys. And then we are also making a vegetarian turkey today.
She's gonna experience the life that I live. Like whatever she's being told, she's gonna do today.
Oh, right. Yeah, right. So I'm in charge of the vegetarian turkey. So that's what I'll be doing today.
Yeah, we are gonna have a lot of guests over, or friends over who are vegetarians. So Tanya's cooking a vegetarian turkey. You guys will
So
see
when I
what
prep
that
it,
is.
I will show it to you guys. But yeah, for now we are gonna start with breakfast because I'm sure we all need energy to start the day. It's all ready. Yeah, but yeah, your coffee is ready. And then turkey just came out of the fridge. It's been brining all soaking, brining, right? So I'm just saying the correct word.
Yeah.
All night, and then there he goes. Every year he does this turkey dance. Every year. I did. And then Ashley's gonna put everything, like massage it with all the deliciousness.
Even turkey is gonna get a massage.
I know, and we haven't got massage. And then we're gonna cook it, and breakfast casserole is ready. Look at that, so yummy. Excited, Alani?
No,
Yeah.
now you don't have to clean it, you just pat it dry. Wash both today.
Oh.
Two computers.
Here you go. Yes.
Hold me close till I get.
Here, can I see your new toy? He wants to show his new toy that he got. Come here. Oh, the puppy. Let me see your new toy. Yeah. Can I see your new toy? Come here. Oh, the puppy. Oh, look at him. What is that, Astro?
Yes.
What is that, Chica? You want to show me a new toy again? Hello, Bobby. He has been bringing this toy to us from yesterday, and I thought he wants to play, but instead he's showing his new toy. Yeah, what do you want? Yeah. Alright, so Aiden, Mayank, and Ashley are doing green beans over here. Right, Aiden? Yeah. What are you doing with the green beans? Cooking. Cooking? Okay. And I am prepping the vegetarian turkey over here. It's getting cleaned up, and Tish is just chilling over there with Alani and Astro, and I think cleaning the couch, right? Yep, that's what he's doing. No, where do you wanna? What do you wanna do? You wanna help Tish? Okay. I mean, can anybody have better life than this? I mean, what should we say? On Thanksgiving, we are so thankful to have you, Bhaiya, who's just chilling here. I mean, we are so grateful and blessed and thankful to have you in our lives and see you enjoy the peaceful time while everybody else is working in the kitchen.
They love me so much.
I know he has taken over the kids and watching him.
I know, they love me so much.
Yeah, look at him. He has very nicely adjusted himself in this play area with the pillow and feet up. Aiden, are you having fun with Tish?
Yeah.
Mamu.
Mamu? Can you say Mamu? Yeah. Put it in a pocket.
This is how it goes in the pocket. It has to come out of the pocket too. Alright.
Put the cauliflower here in the middle.
And then massage it?
Oh, you can massage it there also. And then you have to massage on these also.
Okay.
And then make a space and then put it in the middle.
Okay, then let me just put it in the... Oh, let me first massage these
And then
put the cauliflower in here and do. Yes.
pouring it in, Vicky. Mixing it.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no.
Alright, we went home and then now we are back here again. And we're gonna do all the final things. Look at the turkey. What happened? Doesn't need to be cooked
Another
more?
30 minutes.
Like nothing.
Okay, look at that.
It's at 162.
Wow. What does it need to be?
160.
165.
I mean, technically, we could take it out now, but
I would just
leave it in
leave
a
it
little bit
for
longer.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat a wing for sure.
That's the wing.
No, that's a leg.
Oh, you're
This
saying
is a-
wing.
Oh. And then me and Ashley already saw a leftover recipe that we are gonna eat tomorrow or something.
Sandwich?
Yeah, oh my god, that is
Cranberry
so
sandwich?
So we're making the drink here. It's a mocktail.
Yeah.
It's a mocktail, and then I have wine on the side if anybody wants to make it a cocktail. So I need
You're doing the recipe.
Huh? Yeah, she told me the recipe.
Careful. Hey. Yeah. Hey.
1 cup of orange juice. That's it.
It's orange juice.
Come on, Dennis.
Yeah, it's a mocktail, baby.
Mocktail.
Mocktail.
Let me do it. Slowly.
Here, can I try it real quick, please?
After try.
Good job.
Careful, it's glass, yeah.
All done. Thank you.
No,
Good job.
I reckon.
No, we don't have to add it here.
Is it good?
Mmm, so good.
Waste what's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
What is that? Good. Wow. The amount of flavor, can you imagine? No, you cannot? I can.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you everything is ready. Just last piece of the puzzle is this mac and cheese, which is almost ready. And I'm gonna put it there, but let's go take a look at the table.
So there is a veg turkey option. So vegetarians ko agar turkey miss ho raha hai, so they can have this. That's
Alright.
cauliflower.
I'm gonna tell you, this is green bean, feta pistachio green beans. Everything is vegetarian except the turkey itself. This is ham, so yeah. Dinner rolls, cornbread, gravy, stuffing which is made from bread, sweet potato casserole, so it's marshmallow, sweet potato, brown sugar, all the good stuff.
Apple pie.
Apple pie, turkey itself, mashed potatoes, cranberry, fruit punch,
You want to start with juice? You can take juice.
No, I'm just gonna
and that is all the things that we have prepped. Here's a small charcuterie board, and that's it. The table is set. We're gonna go enjoy the Thanksgiving meal, and we'll show you our family tradition, a game that we play every Thanksgiving.
Alright, so we are gonna go play a very famous game that Ashley plays in our family. It's like a tradition, and it's like a clinch wrap ball game. So you guys can enjoy and watch it. Everybody is here, so let's start the game.
and on we'll go.
Like this? As it is, right? Clockwise, yes. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You got it, alright. Jaldi, jaldi, you got through that one. No tearing, around se. Find the edge. Play. Around se. You're not
Toss it, toss it.
No, find it. Find the edge, not earring.
That one layer is not coming off.
Find where it's coming out from.
Here.
Not earring. Find the edge.
Yeah, no, you have to toss it.
There you go. Ah, earring,
You have to do this.
earring.
You get it.
Keep saying, keep doing it. Find the edge.
Yep.
Give me that.
Take that.
Oh my god, yeah, you respond and why
Back way.
3-1.
Might be. Mummy wins it right. Come on, Ashley.
Come on.
Alright, we are done with the game. Everybody had so much fun. Alright, did everybody have fun playing the game? Yay! It was a fun game. Almost everybody won something, for sure. So it was really fun. Now we're gonna all go eat dinner and we'll let you see.
Here you go, Mama.
Alright. Here's my plate. Everything in here. It's all tasty. So good.
I'm drinking it.
Yeah. Wow. I have mac and cheese, green beans, turkey, gravy, cranberries, sweet potato, bread, roll, and cornbread. Wow. Alright guys, we are back home. Irene is already asleep upstairs. Maya came back a little early. I stayed back to help Ashley clean up and all that stuff. And then we also have a lot of leftovers, which we are very excited about because we love leftovers. And I think that's it. We had a really good time. We played games and ate food, and then again played games and chilled and just had fun with our friends. And then we are so grateful to have these amazing friends in our life. So yeah, once again, happy Thanksgiving to every single one of you. I hope you had a great day with your friends, family, and we'll see you in the next video.